We're very happy to have sysHUB as part of the Canon portfolio. It's unique to Canon. It's one of the most powerful workflow tools in the market, and that helps us beat the competition. It also means that we can offer more workflow to customers, more automation, more efficiency. And because it's unique to Canon, it helps us keep our customers connected to Canon.
With sysHUB we provide a very open system that everyone can handle and implement business process, and now also with printing on all devices that support IPT.